To know when a reel was posted on Instagram. Suppose you're watching some reels from this kind of section, and suppose we want to check when this reel was posted. So get into the profile and here figure out the same thumbnail that you see first. So this is the thumbnail, we got it as quickly as possible. So as you can see, this is the reel that we see, and just matching the thumbnail, and this is the reel. So to know when it was posted, simply tap on these three grid dots, and here tap on the reel, and as you can see, it is posted 14 hours ago. So this is how you can do it. Now let me show you for another account. Let's just randomly scroll and let's stop here. Suppose you want to see when this reel was posted, open this thing and figure out where it is. So this is right here, number 3. Now simply tap on these icon, and this is the thing. So it was posted 3 days ago. So this is how you can know when a reel was posted. I hope you found the information helpful in order to know when a reel was posted on Instagram or when a reel was uploaded.